Today we are going to unbox a parcel from Lila Beauty, which I ordered moisturizer and some other beauty products. Bubble air pouch. A sample product of Purito. So it's very secure. They put bubble wraps in every item. This is the aloe vera gel. I forgot what is it. I think the moisturizer. A mask from the face shop. Another bubble wrap and another box. Let's start with this. Bubble wrap. So this is, I can't read it, it's Korean. It's a deep sea pure water cream. The other one is, oops. So I already had used this before. Nature Republic. I've been looking at because I bought it for mine before was from Philippines and I'm running out of it. And finally I found a good shop here in Australia, which is not so expensive, but expensive compared to Philippines. Pero i-consider naman natin yung shipping, which is from Lila Beauty. Public Color Gel, toner, Public. The packaging is very eco-friendly. So this is it's like an ointment, guys. So this is a deep sea pure water cream. I paid, confirm it, but yep.